In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how you can remove account warning on TikTok. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can learn exactly how you can remove account warning, just like I did, okay? So what I did, guys, to remove account warning, I am gonna be showing you guys in a few seconds. I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can do the same steps that I have done to remove the account warning. So the first thing, guys, you need to do, you wanna open your TikTok account, of course. Now, yeah, after you open your TikTok account, you want to click your profile at the very bottom, all right? Now, as you can see here, guys, I don't have account warning anymore. I used to see it here. It's a red text. It says dear account warning. So here is exactly how I deleted that account warning before it expires, because most of the time you will have to wait like 2 months before TikTok removes that by itself. But I don't want to wait 2 months just like you. I want to remove it as quickly as 2 days or 3 days. So here is what I did, guys. I clicked on three little lions in the top right, as you can see, and then settings and privacy at the very bottom, and then scroll down a little bit. Okay, keep scrolling and click on report a problem. Now, after you click, guys, on report a problem, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. You will see there submit a report. Like if you see there submit a report, click it. If you don't see it, then select one of these options that you have here. Now, if you can see here submit a report at the very bottom, click on it. Now, after that, guys, you want to type here. This is what you want to type. Hi TikTok, I got an account warning by a mistake. Even though I didn't violate any of the community guidelines, please review my account and get rid of the warning. So that's exactly, guys, what you want to type, okay? I am going to add that in the screen. This is what you want to type, guys. So after that, you want to click done, as you can see, and after that, you want to click on submit. They will get back to you within 24 hours, and then they will fix the account warning problem on your account. That's the beauty of TikTok. You can easily get solutions for everything. Now, there is another solution if you don't want to wait 24 hours, is to create a new account. Probably you will say, okay, I don't have a lot of followers. I need again to have followers. I made a video about how you can get 1,000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. So just click the video in the screen right now and you will get 1,000 followers in just 1 minute on your new account. And you can create new account on the same app, and then you can switch between these accounts. So click the video in the screen right now to get 1,000 TikTok followers. Make sure you drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video.